Hello and welcome to SKEW Volatility 411. My name is Dan Deming and I'm with KKM Financial. We're looking at a VIX cash trending lower once again today, down to 16.50 currently. Now it's coming off a high of 19.90 intraday on Wednesday. So the last couple of days, VIX cash under pressure as the SPX stabilized yesterday and found some upside momentum here midday today, putting pressure on the VIX cash. Looking at realized volatility week over week, we continue to see 30-day realized volatility trending lower, down from 12% last week to 10% this week. So that compression continues. At the money straddle in the SPX is actually a little higher week over week, from 11% last week to 12.5% today. And the CBOE SKEW index is holding right around 144 currently, and that's the low end of the range for the last couple of weeks. So we have seen that drift a little bit lower here this week. VIX futures, big move as we move towards expiration next week. We're seeing that November-December roll market widening substantially today, out about 60 cents currently to $2.65. And the entire term structure is moving lower. But what is interesting is the curve's pretty much saying the same. And what I mean by that, if you look at the January through May futures right now, they're all shifting lower by about 30 to 35 cents. VVIX, measure implied volatility in the VIX options, right around 110. We did see it pop up to 120 on Wednesday when the markets were under some duress, but now trending back down towards the low end of the range for this week. Still holding a little bit above last week's level, but at 110, that's pretty much where it's been trading here for the last several months. And looking at the action in the VIX options, as we move into expiration week, a lot of action in the November put lines. November puts, we're seeing the number 15 through 20 put lines very active. In December, we're seeing the December 17 through 20 put lines very active as well. Next week, we have several things that could influence the vol structure. Certainly, data points will continue to be scrutinized. Retail sales, capacity utilization, industrial production, big numbers next week. We have the Fed chair discussion continuing to unfold. So I think that could influence the vol structure as that continues to pick up steam, and expiration to deal with as we move into expiration week next week.